Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into your garden in the middle of summer, expecting it to be full of fresh vegetables and herbs, but found it empty, dry, or slow to grow? Today, we're diving into something that could completely transform your summer garden, 40 amazing crops you should plant in May. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, the plants you choose to grow this month can make or break your summer harvest. From vibrant vegetables to aromatic herbs, the right crops planted now can set you up for a garden that's healthy, colorful, and full of life. In this video, not only will I be sharing the best crops to plant in May, but also essential growing tips, tricks for thriving plants, and care advice that will ensure your garden flourishes all summer long. Stick with me because these tips could be the secret to a garden that blooms with success. May is not just another month on the calendar. For gardeners, it is a turning point. The soil has finally warmed up. The days are longer. The threat of frost is mostly behind us. Everything in nature is waking up and reaching for the sun. If you have been waiting for the right time to get serious about your garden, this is it. What you decide to plant right now will shape how much food, color, and life your garden gives you in the months ahead. Miss this window and you might spend the summer trying to catch up. But use it well, and your garden can become a place that feeds you, relaxes you, and brings you joy every single day. Whether you are growing in a small backyard, a raised bed, or just a few pots on a balcony, this is your chance to plant smart and get the most out of the warm season. By the time this video ends, you will know exactly what to plant in May to make your summer garden thrive. Now that you know why May matters so much, let us get into what you came for. We are about to walk through 40 crops that are perfect for planting this month. To make it simple and easy to follow, I have divided them into two clear groups. The first half covers warm season vegetables that love the heat. The second half includes herbs and cooler-tolerant crops that still do great in early May. Let us start building your dream summer garden. Warm season vegetables, 20 crops to plant in May. These crops love the rising heat and are ready to grow strong all summer long. 1. Tomato. Tomatoes love warm soil and sunshine. Plant them now for a steady harvest by midsummer. 2. Bell pepper. Peppers enjoy the heat but need a bit of shade in extreme sunlight. A raised bed works best. 3. Eggplant. Eggplants grow beautifully when the soil is fully warmed. Space them well for better airflow. 4. Zucchini. Zucchini grows fast and gives a huge harvest. Give it space because the plant spreads wide. 5. Cucumber. Cucumbers love both warmth and water. Plant near a trellis to keep the vines off the ground. 6. Corn. Corn needs full sun and grows tall, so choose a spot where it will not shade other crops. 7. Okra. Okra is heat tolerant and thrives in full sun. Pick pods young for best flavor. 8. Green beans. Plant bush or pole beans in rich soil. They grow fast and give lots of pods. 9. Sweet potato. Plant slips, not seeds. Sweet potatoes need warm nights to grow strong and sweet. 10. Melons. Watermelons and cantaloupes love heat. They need loose soil and plenty of room to sprawl. 11. Squash. Summer. Summer squash like yellow crookneck grows fast and tastes best when picked young. 12. Pumpkin. Plant now. You want pumpkins ready by fall. They need space and rich compost. 13. Hot peppers. Chili peppers love the heat and grow well in containers. The hotter the weather, the spicier they get. 14. Lima beans. Lima beans grow slowly but love summer. Plant now to give them time to mature. 15. Tomatillo. You need at least 2 tomatillo plants to pollinate each other. They grow just like tomatoes. 16. Yard-long beans. These thrive in heat and are perfect for trellising. They grow long and taste like green beans. 17. Bitter melon. A strong grower in hot climates. Needs a trellis and regular water. 18. Roselle hibiscus sabdorifa. Grows well in hot zones. Use its leaves early and pods later for teas and jams. 19. Cowpeas, black-eyed peas. A strong summer grower, good for soil and great for harvest. 20. Armenian cucumber. Looks like a cucumber but grows well in extreme heat and does not get bitter. Herbs and cool-tolerant crops. 20 perfect picks for May. These plants can handle a bit of coolness, especially in the evenings. Some even enjoy it. 1. Basil. Basil thrives in the warmth, but May is the perfect time to plant it before the peak heat. Keep it trimmed to avoid early flowering. 2. Parsley. Flat leaf or curly, parsley does well in part shade and keeps growing through spring into early summer. 3. Cilantro. Plant in a cooler, shady spot. It tends to bolt quickly in heat, so succession planting helps. 4. Chives. Chives are easy to grow and come back year after year. You can grow them in containers or borders. 5. Dill. Dill enjoys spring warmth, but not scorching heat. It is best started from seed and grows quickly. 6. Mint. Mint is strong and spreads fast. Keep it in a pot to control it and enjoy fresh leaves all summer. 7. Thyme. This low-maintenance herb loves sun and dry soil. Perfect for raised beds and containers. 8. Oregano. Plant oregano in full sun. It is drought-tolerant and gives you rich flavor in a small space. 9. Sage. Sage enjoys cooler nights. Once established, it is very hardy and adds a lovely scent to your garden. 10. Tarragon. French tarragon prefers partial sun and well-drained soil. Its slender leaves pack big flavor. 11. Lettuce. Try heat-tolerant varieties like Buttercrunch or Romaine Harvest early in the morning for crisp leaves. 12. Spinach. Spinach prefers cooler conditions, so plant it now for a final spring harvest before heat takes over. 13. Kale. Kale is flexible and can handle warm days and cool nights. Pick leaves early for tenderness. 14. Swiss chard. Colorful, hardy, and productive Swiss chard keeps going through summer when other greens fade. 15. Arugula. Plant in light shade and keep it moist. It grows fast and tastes best before flowering. 16. Mustard greens. These are easy to grow and give a peppery flavor. They do best in part shade as days warm up. 17. Beets. You can plant beet seeds in May and harvest both greens and roots as the weather warms. 18. Radish. Radishes grow fast. Plant every couple of weeks for a steady supply before the summer heat peaks. 19. Carrots. Choose shorter varieties for faster growth. Carrots can grow through May if kept well watered. 20. Green onions. Plant from seed or sets. They grow fast and add fresh flavor to every meal. Can you feel the garden waking up? By now, your hands are likely in the soil, your beds are starting to fill, and each day brings a new little miracle. But May is not done giving. From fragrant herbs to leafy greens, there is still so much you can plant right now to keep your garden thriving. Even if you are just getting started, do not worry. Nature is incredibly forgiving this time of year. Stick around because the next section is packed with 20 herbs and cool-tolerant crops that are perfect for planting this month. Now that your garden plan is coming together, here are a few quick tips to help everything grow stronger and faster. First, water your plants early in the morning. This helps them drink up before the heat of the day and prevents fungal problems. Next, Add mulch around your plants to keep the soil cool and lock in moisture. It also helps keep weeds down. If you are starting seeds, do not be afraid to mix methods. Some do better when started indoors, while others thrive from direct sowing. And finally, keep checking your soil. Warm soil is key in May. A quick touch with your hand can tell you a lot. Healthy roots start with healthy soil. What you plant now truly shapes your garden's future. Think about it, what you do today in May could mean a bountiful harvest in July. That's the beauty of gardening. Every choice you make adds another layer of life to your garden. So, if you haven't planted some of these crops yet, no worries. There's still plenty of time, and you can make this summer your best one yet. These 40 crops are more than just plants. They represent the promise of a thriving, colorful summer garden. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned gardener, May is the month that holds the key to unlocking a season full of fresh, homegrown food and beautiful blooms. Remember, it's okay to start small, and there's no perfect time to begin. Every step you take today will bring you closer to a garden you can be proud of. So grab those seeds, head outside, and make the most of this amazing month. Your garden is waiting, and the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for weekly gardening inspiration and tips. I'd love to hear what crops you're planning to grow this May. So drop a comment below and share your gardening journey with me. If you have friends who are also passionate about gardening, share this video with them. Let's build a community of gardeners who help each other thrive. Remember, your garden is your masterpiece, so let's make it amazing together.